Okay, so merge conflict code lens enabled. Create a code lens for merge conflict blocks within the editor. This is set to true by default, and this pertains to these options right here. So you can accept the current change when you have a merge conflict, you can accept the current change, the incoming change, or both changes. You can also compare, right? But this doesn't change anything. So if you set this to false, you will see you're still seeing that. That's weird. Maybe we have to reload the window. Okay, that apparently that setting requires a reload. So now you don't have code lens for that. You don't have any options to select from. Obviously, this is very useful. So I'm going to leave this one as true.